It's only a matter of time before I escape, Muffler Crunk.
You can't escape. Those unbreakable nuts are unbreakable.
I think not.
Oh, I remember this page. This is the page where Steel says,
Your tell the truth ray won't work on me, Muffler Crunk.
Amazing!
You escaped as you have done every other time.
now for a surprise that nobody could have expected. And that surprise is...
To be continued. Oh, it ends like that every time we read it.
That's because it doesn't end. The big surprise ending will be in the next comic. As soon as the mail gets here, we'll finally know.
Yeah!
Oh, I can't wait. Let's go find it.
I know my dad's mail route. Follow me.
What could the surprise ending be?
I bet Steel surprises Muffler Crunk with his loyal team of robots. No, not Steel Super Pups. Your gadgets are too cool for me, Steel Awesome.
That can't be it. I bet Steel reveals that all along he's been a trike. I'm invincible.
No way! I bet the surprise is that Steel gets a new hat.
Hat. That's it.
You wanted a surprise ending? That would be really surprising.
What do you think it will be, Ricky?
I don't even want to guess. I just want to know.
Dad! What's taking so long?
Oh, hello, Lupin friends. Busy day for deliveries. Oopsie. This might take some time.
Do you have the new Steel Awesome comics to deliver?
Yes, I do. But there's a surprise.
We know! That's why we want them!
No. I mean, there's a surprise about the surprise. I can't deliver the comics because they're going to be given out by Steel Awesome!
What?
Steel is going to read the surprise ending out loud. So, nobody's allowed to see it until he gets here.
Not even me, his biggest fan.
Steel Awesome's orders.
Please! Can we just have a little look?
No.
Still won't mind.
No,
just the front cover.
I'm not listening.
Or the back.
Can we just have a little look? Steel won't mind.
Please. No way, no.
See through anything, Vision. Go!
No.
What are you doing?
Ah! Nothing. Just looking at the box, not peeking.
Well, watch out. Recycling pickup coming through. I need to finish before Still Awesome gets here.
You know, you kids could really help me out if you bring that box of comics to the town square.
Really? A mission for Steel Awesome?
Exactly. A very important mission, yeah. Maybe Steel will reward you by giving you the comic first.
Oh, hello there, my buddies. I heard you might have a certain comic with you.
Nobody's allowed to look, Maxwell.
Of course not. I would never suggest that. For anyone but me.
Hi, buddies. Oh, is that them? Are the comics in there?
We're not allowed to open it, Mrs. Spikey.
I'm going to trade Steel a free tyre change for an early look at the surprise ending, where Muffler Crunk reveals that he's secretly an alien.
Och, Maxwell, that's not going to be it. Obviously, the ending is going to be a surprise romance with the love of Steel's life. Oh, just a little peek?
Sorry, Mrs. Spikely, we can't. We're on a mission for Steel himself. This is the place. But we must be early. Steel's not here yet.
Steel is here!
Mr. Awesome, sir, we brought the box of your comics.
Excellent. And I bet you're all excited to know the secret surprise ending. You didn't peek, did you?
No, sir.
Oh, good. Then let's make this show awesome.
Gosh, it's Steel Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
This is it, Steel Awesome fans. The moment that you have all been waiting for. Page 1. Pepperoni. Extra cheese.
What's this?
Buy one pizza and get the second one free! Wait a minute. That page is surprising, but in a bad way.
These aren't comics. These are menus from the pizza restaurant. I must have mixed up the boxes.
Where are my comics?
I think Blip is taking them to be recycled. They'll be destroyed in the shredder.
Find them! Hurry!
Must drop off recycling.
Must get back to see Steel Awesome read the comic. Must go faster.
There he is. Blip, stop! Blip, wait!
Time for one of my blip shortcuts. Or should I say blip cuts? Or short blips. Short blip cuts.
He was right here.
He's using his shortcuts. Only Blip knows those.
Visor, go! This way! Blip, stop!
Who's that? I can't see. It must be recycling bandits. You'll never get this recycling bandits.
He went right in here, didn't he?
I don't even see a way through. How does he do that? Zoom can go!
He's heading for my parents' recycling station. This way.
Excellent. That's it, Fred.
Wait, don't go. What more? And there are recycling bandits right behind me. They really want these pizza flyers.
Oh, recycling bandits. Never heard of those. Well, I suppose we better hurry.
There he is! It's too late! No, it's not! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Yay, Ricky! There it is! The comic! I can look right now!
That's not recycling. Those are.
We are not peeking! Steel wants us to be surprised, so that's what we're going to be!
green peppers and olives. No, not on Steel Awesome's watch, you thin-crusted villain!
Steel, here they are.
Ah, good. Did you peek this time?
No, sir. I want to hear it straight from you.
Good.
And now, for a surprise that nobody could have expected. And that surprise is...
Yes! I'm glad I didn't peek. It's so much better hearing it with you guys.
You, Mufflecrunk, are my long-lost twin brother.
I knew it! Is it true, Steel? Is Mufflecrunk really your brother?
It's true. But what other surprises await as we keep reading?
A new hat?
Hey, did you peek?
I was right!
Anyway, let's read on.
No, it can't be true. But it is true. Join me, brother.
Ready, Luke? Got it! Loopy boosters, go! Oh, I should clean these out once in a while. Booster power shots!
No, Loop! The ball will go way too far.
No, it won't. Whoa! That went way too far. I'll get it. Leave it to Luke. Oh. Hey, Buster! What are you doing?
I can't find my ball. I hit it way too far.
Oh, that's too bad. You should be careful with your ball like me. There's my ball. Now I'll get yours. Yes! Loop versus Tree. Loop wins again.
My ball! You saved it!
It was nothing. Somebody had to teach that tree a lesson.
Thank you, thank you, thank you!
All right, my buddies, this game is back on. Booster power shots! Whoa! That went way too far. Did you see me out there? No one could stop me.
That's him!
What did I do? I'm sorry, I didn't brush my teeth. Or make my bed. And for driving slow in the fast lane. It wasn't my fault.
No, you're not in trouble. Although you should brush your teeth. We just wanted to thank you for helping Buster get his ball back.
Phew! That, it was nothing.
It wasn't nothing. It was my favourite ball, and I thought I'd never see it again, and he saved it.
Yes, well, thank you, Loop. Job well done.
You should give him a medal.
A medal?
For saving a ball?
My favourite ball. He fought the big scary tree, and he saved it. Don't the rules say bikes get medals for doing things like that?
Well, sometimes, yes, but...
Yes.
Oh, all right then. Why not? A medal for being a hero.
Really?
Yeah. What's going on? I'm not sure that's a medal. It looks like a bottle cap.
It's my honour to present this medal to one of the finest heroes this town has ever seen.
Well, I don't know about finest. Pretty fine, I guess.
How's that?
say bravest, he was brave too.
Sorry. Finest and bravest heroes.
Huh? I guess I was kind of brave.
And say he saved my ball from certain doom.
Doom? Really? The hero who bravely saved my grandson's ball from certain doom, apparently.
Yeah! Yeah, it was doomed. Definitely doomed. What can I say? Somebody's got to be a hero now and then, and I'm happy to help. Yeah. Okay. The important thing is, now that I'm a hero, I don't want you to treat me any differently than you did before. Okay. We won't. But let me go in front, okay? Stay back a bit. Boom! Okay. Further! Good! Maybe a little further.
Hi, bike buddies. Hey, look, what's that?
Oh, this is just my, medal.
It looks like a bottle cap.
No. This is my medal for bravery. I'm brave now.
It's nice, I guess. See you later.
Toot! Look out! Whoa, Toot! If I hadn't been here, you could have fallen into that super deep hole, and no one would have been here to save you.
Except Ricky.
Oh, right. Are you a rescue bike too, Ricky? You know I am. I've always been a rescue bike. Really? Hey! Maybe we could practice rescuing together. Okay. Good idea. Oh! Won't someone rescue me?
Oh no! I'll help you, Scootio.
You can't help me. You're pretending to be stuck too.
Please help me so I can pretend to save Scootio.
My mum and dad taught me all about the right way to rescue a broken bike. You have to be careful. First, get your grappling hook ready, and you could do it the right way, or you could do it the loop way. I said you have to be careful. Scootio, get ready to be looped. Another perfect rescue. Thanks, Loop. You don't have to thank me, but it's okay if you do. Ricky, could you help me out of here? On my way. Loop, why don't you get us some drinks? Coming right up.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Huh? I'm here. Hi, Radio. You sound just like Scootio's mum.
We've had a bit of an accident up here at Windshield Point. We need some help.
Windshield Point? That sounds too dangerous for anybody but a real hero. I better handle this alone. Hold on, Scootio's mum. Help is coming. Rap and roll.
Where did the big hero go?
It looks like he left in a hurry.
Come in. Is anyone coming to help? Oh, we need help at Windshield Point.
Uh-oh. I think I know where Loop went. Let's zoom. It's okay, everyone. I'm here now.
Loop? Help! We came up to paint the antenna, but we had a bit of an accident.
Yeah, if all this paint falls, it's gonna make an awful mess down there.
This is a big problem, but I'm a hero. I can help! Hold on, Whizbangs! Piece of cake! I should clean these out once in a while. I'm meant to be good at this. I have a medal and everything.
Ooh, nice medal, Lou.
There he is.
And my mum and dad! Mum! Dad! We're here!
Guys, my jets are clogged. Ricky to the rescue.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! Help me out, DJ.
Rev on!
It's so heavy.
Oh no, the paint cans!
Skate Bobs, go!
Can't hold on much longer.
We just need a little more power.
Skate Bobs, fix Loop's jets!
Booster power. Leave it to Luke. That was close.
Oh, thanks, bike buddies. If you hadn't come along, we'd be cleaning up paint splatter all day.
Oof, you make excellent rescue bikes.
Yeah, we do. But me by myself, not so much. I think we all deserve this medal.
It's a bottle cap!
We all deserve this bottle cap. Together, we'll bump. Bike buddies, wheel it in.
Oh, looks like we dropped a can.
Oh,
Could you send it over?
Leave it to Luke. Boost the power shot. Boom. Whoa! That went way too far! Fantastic, Luke. I think everybody's going to love our show and tell booth. Oh no, it's show and tell. We're showing Steel Awesome, but we forgot to tell. This tells that Steel Awesome is super amazing.
hello, kids. Oh, you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you, Mrs. Bikely.
Thanks, Mrs. Bikely!
Check out all this stuff. Amazing!
Thanks.
Selfie time!
So, what are you going to show and tell?
We've been working on it for days, but it's a secret.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Are you gonna ask what it is?
You said it's a secret.
Yeah, but it's the kind of secret that we show you right now what it is. So come on!
Prepare to be amazed. Wait, preparing. Okay, I'm prepared. I'm amazed. What?
It's a music player. When your wheels turn, it makes music. Watch.
We call it the Mega Cool Beat Blaster.
That's the best and only one of those I've ever seen. Whoa, that's really cool.
Thanks. We hope Mrs. Bikely will let us use it in gym class.
Hey, Mrs. Bikely said to come see her when we're ready.
Can you guys stay here and make sure nobody touches our Mega Cool Beat Blaster?
Zoom on.
Thanks, Ricky. Come on, DJ.
Don't worry. Nobody will touch your mega cool beat, but... Loop! Does it look like it's all right? I promised Scootio and DJ we wouldn't let anybody touch their gadget. And nobody is touching it.
Nobody except for me. Come on.
Okay.
Yippee! Woo! Yippee! Woo!
Careful, Luke. You don't want to break Scootio and DJ's... gadget! Oh, no! Broken. Definitely broken.
It was an accident, right? I didn't mean to break it. They'll understand. No, they won't. They're gonna be mad. Gotta go.
No, we have to tell them. Or do we?
It's okay. I know everything about gadgets. Now, the springy thing definitely goes on that metal roundy bit.
Or maybe the roundy bit attaches to the chunky thing.
That thing's not chunky, it's squarey and,
Loop. Big problem. Scootio and DJ are coming back. We have to do something. You hurry and finish fixing the gadget. Leave it to Loop.
leave it to Loop for a really, really long time.
Scootio, DJ, am I glad to see you? Isn't it a nice day? We should go for a ride back the other way, far away from your booth, and also, get a tune-up. You've got to try the new brake fluid everybody's talking about. I hear it's awesome. Come on. Who knew there were this many types of brake fluid?
Not my brake fluid.
We should really get back to our booth. No! I mean, in a minute. You used to love this ride, remember? DJ, let's ride it for old time's sake. Hop on with me.
There. Good as new. So good as new. It's not even the same gadget. One more try.
Come on, just a few more times around.
It's time to get back to our booth.
Huh? No! Wait! Did you see the lug nut booth over there? Everybody loves lug nuts. Guys!
Hey, buddies! What's going on?
Oh, it's time to show our gadget to Mrs. Spikely. No! Wait! Good. So everything's good here. Why wouldn't it be? Right?
Hey!
Did you guys bump my table? It's crooked. Sorry. I guess we did. We'd better get back to our own booth now. Bye!
Thank you for attending this year's show and tell event. There are so many exciting booths here today. But there's one very special project I'd like to share. Two of my students, Scootio and DJ, have created a wonderful gadget. So without further ado, the mega cool Beat Blaster.
You did fix it, right?
For sure. Now let's see how this works.
that lovely? It's not quite what I was expecting.
Mrs. Bikley! The boombox has become a boom booster!
Mrs. Bikley? Mrs. Bikley? What's gone wrong? My brake fluid? Again?
Sorry! We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikley.
Bike buddies, wheel it in!
Not still awesome!
Not our boo! Mrs. Bikley is still awesome!
We need more speed, like still awesome. Bike buddies, I have an idea! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikley? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here? Yes!
Oh, she's coming back!
Ricky to the rescue!
Oh, phew. Oh, excellent. Thank you, Ricky. That was a little more thrilling than I expected it to be. Ooh.
But our mega cool beat blaster, it nearly ruined everything. We're sorry, Mrs. Bikley. We didn't know it could do that.
Scootio, DJ, this wasn't your fault. Loop and I broke your mega cool beat blaster. We should have just told you.
Well, it's...
I think they're mad. I've never seen Scootio twitch like that.
Woohoo! Awesome!
Yeah!
Did you see how fast our mega cool beat blaster went? That was actually kind of awesome.
Way better than just playing music.
We'll help you fix it, Scootio.
Yes, after you clean up this mess.
Yeah, that too.
Come on, let's get this mess cleaned up and see if we can make it go even faster.
And play music at the same time.
Ah, yeah!
Maybe just a little try. No, Loop. But I just... no!
In a world full of ramps, racing, and good guys versus bad guys, what bike is awesome enough to save the world for the 16.5 time? Who? I'm the answer. Still Awesome, starring in Steel Awesome and Muffler Crunk in Steel Awesome Super Spy Quest.
Yeah!
Well, 4 lucky bikes will get a sneak preview if they find the 4 gold tickets that I've hidden around town. Could a ticket be here, or here, or here? Again, you should be asking, because I already know. Happy hunting, and stay awesome!
Seeing that movie is everything I've ever wanted.
There are 4 tickets.
And 4 of us.
So, there are... almost enough tickets for all of us. Exactly enough tickets, Loop. We need to find them all. We all go together or none of us go at all. Wheelie promise? Yeah!
Excuse me!
You can help me! Hey! It's almost like everybody else wants to see the movie as much as we do, which is a lot.
Toot toot, coming through. I'm going to turn this town upside down till I find a ticket.
Come on! Come on! They're getting ahead!
Wait, Loop. Looking fast is one thing. We need to look smart.
I'm way better at fast.
Where should we look first?
That's what maps are for.
Hey, look! There's one hidden at the school. Let's zoom out! It's not up here or down here.
Whoa!
DJ, look!
What? What is it? Hey, I found one. That was easy.
Ooh, you found one. I could have found that one, except I wasn't looking there. Hey, maybe I can help you guys look. You need me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Toot, but there's only 4 tickets and 4 of us. We've already promised. All of us are going or none at all.
Did you really promise?
Yep.
Well then, it's official. I guess this isn't going to have a happy ending.
Don't be sad, Toot. We'll tell you all about the movie.
Oh, I'm not sad for me. I'm sad for you. Because when I find a ticket, none of you will get to go. That's sad, isn't it? Good luck, guys.
She's gonna feel even worse when she wins. She won't win. Quick, Scootio, where's another ticket?
Town Square.
I don't see one.
I don't see one. Keep looking, mate.
We've looked everywhere, and it's in none of those wares. I bet no one's looked up there yet. Leave it to Loop.
I got here first, little brother.
Well, you're gonna have to race me, Blip.
Then that's what I'll do. I mean, it's not like you have jet booster rockets or anything.
Loopy boosters, go!
Oh, yeah, he does.
Whoa! I win! Loop is the fastest. Is there a golden ticket up there? Oh, yeah! That's why I'm up here. I found one! I found one! Loop looked and Loop found. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! I'm going to the movie! I'm so pumped, my tires might pop! Come on, Blip, there are 2 more out there!
And that's how many of you and me there are.
Maxwell's next. Let's go.
We'll look inside. Loop, can you search out here?
Yes.
A gold ticket here after all. Check it out, guys! I scrub-a-dub-dubbed. Gotta look good for the movie. What? Is my sparkling shine too much for your eyes?
No! There's a gold ticket! I found one!
Really? Where? Whoa!
It's floating away! Oh no, it's too high!
Zoom can go! Grab that bubble ticket! I got it! I got a gold ticket! And I got clean! It's a win-win!
Now just Ricky needs one. It's all of us or none of us.
3 tickets? You guys are good. But there's one left, and that's all I need.
Everyone's heading towards the adventure park.
That's the only place left.
There it is!
The last ticket!
Oh! Sorry, Toot. That ticket has my name on it. Zoom!
My name's Zoom too.
Grappling hook, go! I got it! Yeah!
Wow!
Whoa! Toot! Ricky to the rescue! I've got you!
You! Thanks, Ricky. That was a close one.
Way to go, Ricky.
Thanks, DJ.
But where's your ticket?
Huh? It's gone!
Hi, everyone. It's here, but it looks like somebody ran over it.
Can he still use it?
Well, this is one piece, and that's another one piece, and all of those are one pieces too.
Oh, well. You guys go without me. I'm taking Toot home. We've had enough thrills for today.
Not so fast, Ricky Zoom.
It's still awesome in the still! And he remembered my name.
I saw what you did. You gave up your ticket to help your sister, and that was awesome.
Still awesome?
Sadly, only I can be steel awesome, but what you did was pretty close. That's why I'm giving you this.
Another ticket!
Pose with me, Ricky.
Is someone taking a picture?
No. Sometimes I just like to pose.
Thanks, Steel. But do you think Toot could have the ticket?
Toot? As in me? Really, truly, Ricky?
Of course, little sis.
I'm afraid not, Ricky. This ticket is just for you. But your sister can come too, and so can everybody in... What's this town called?
Wheelford!
Everyone in Wheelford, with or without a ticket. And even though it's technically me, Steel Awesome, who invited them, they can all thank Ricky Zoom.
This is so How do I look?
Like a star, DJ. Oh, guys, I got snacks.
Whoa, are you sure you got enough?
I think so. What are you guys going to have?
Welcome to the premiere of my new movie. And congratulations on being awesome.
Hear that, Ricky? We're awesome.
Yeah, Toot, we sure are.